So Happy New Year guys, 2026 na, and it's time for us to move on coming from our holiday status. Kung ako sa inyo guys, kahit wala pa kayong pasok right now, kahit nakabakasyon mode pa lang kayo, it's time for you to get up na and set that goal as early as now. Okay, for today's video, ang pag-uusapan po natin or re-reviewin po natin ay ang Maribank. Ang question po is, okay bang gamitin si Maribank this 2026? Well, meron kasing update sa online banks natin, medyo nag-shake ng konti ang mga interest rate. So, pagdating ba kay Maribank, nagkaroon ba ng changes sa interest rate? So, samahan niyo ako, alamin natin kung okay na okay pa bang gamitin si Maribank as your online/digital bank this 2026. Samahan niyo ako, sit back and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're newer to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makita nyo dito sa taas, at kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. As I said a while ago, nagkaroon ng change agad starting January 1 ng interest ng banks already. So we will discuss them later on this week. But for now, let's focus kay Maribank. I have 10 reasons why I am highly recommending Maribank to be your online bank this 2026. But disclaimer lang po guys, meron po akong collaboration with Maribank wherein you can use my referral code PATQUINTO when creating an account. But let's go back na dun sa reason ko. Number 10 reason is the app has evolved. It is secured and uses biometrics to log you into your account. Hindi na siya katulad lang ni GCash na empty ng pang-login mo. However, you can use your biometrics na to log into your Maribank account and even do transaction. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-enter ng password or ng PIN when doing a transaction. You can just use your Face ID or even biometrics to process a transaction. Thus, kung merong maaligid-aligid sa'yo habang nagtatransa ka, hindi nila makikita ang PIN mo sa iyong account. Number 9 dito, more on aesthetic. The app is simple and easy to use and understand. Yung basic things na kailangan natin to do our banking needs, pay bills, transfer money, napakadaling gawin dito sa app na to. And they are working fine without any issues. Number 8, reliability. Coming from 2025, I have not experienced any issues relating to bank transfer. Di ba kadalasan yan, when we do bank transfer using our e-wallets from GCash, naiipit yung InstaPay transfers natin. With Maribank, I have not experienced any, given na mas marami akong transaction na ginagawa using Maribank. In addition to that, since yun ang experience ko, wala rin ako masyadong nakikita over the internet ang nagkakaroon ng issues with regards to the reliability of Maribank. Meron couple of reported issues but mabibilang mo lang sa daliri mo, pero that's for 1 year na.
So let's move on na sa functions which is interesting para sa'yo.
Okay, number 7, discounted e-loads. Well, if you have a sari-sari store business or e-loading business like us, we have a computer shop wherein we sell loads. This Maribank feature, which is selling e-loads, is beneficial for us. Sa 100 pesos na e-load, 95 pesos lang po ang makakaltas sa pera nyo. Thus, kumita ka na ng 5 pesos when you sell that e-load, plus additional pa na extra charge pa yan kapag nagpapaload ka. Hindi naman saktong 100 lang talaga. Kahit pa paano magandang gamitin to sa negosyo. And kung hindi naman pang negosyo, comparing GCash e-load and Maya e-load with Maribank, hindi katulad kay GCash na merong additional service charge pa. Buo na nga yung amount, 100 plus service charge pa. So, sino sa tatlo ang may magandang e-load service? Di ba si Maribank? Number 6, when you do your transaction using Maribank through ATM and through QR, kakaroon ka ng rebates. Sila ang una na narinig ko na using a debit card ay nagbibigay ng rebates. Napaka-successful netong rebate kasi nakikita ng mga gumagamit na kahit maliit na amount is bumabalik sa kanila. Thus, ano nga ba ang better option for you? Number 5. So, this is one of my daily crediting of interest. Hindi katulad ng ibang mga banks. Ang crediting ni Maribank ng interest ay on a daily basis. Meaning, pag na-credit na sa'yo, pwede mo na siyang gamitin kung gugustuhin mo. Nagiging compounded daily siya kasi kung ano yung balance mo dun sa araw na yun plus the interest, yun yung i-interesan ng panibago and mas nakaka-motivate na makita na nag-earn yung pera mo. Number 4, interest rate. The interest rate of Maribank right now is 3.5% for the base interest coming from 0 peso up to 1 million peso or 999.99 pesos. So basically, pag yun yung pera mo, nilagay mo kay Maribank, mag-earn na kagad yan ng base interest of 3.5%. Pag ang pera mo naman na nilagay kay Maribank ay 1 million and above, ay mag-earn yan ng 4% interest. So far, parang wala pa akong nakikita na banks na nagpo-provide ng ganitong interest sa million peso and above na deposit. Kung titingnan mo talaga at mayaman ka at naglagay ka ng malaking pera dyan, para ka talagang pumapaldo. And take note, walang limit ang 4% nila. Hindi katulad ng base interest ni Maya na 3.5% na limit lang na up to 5 million pesos na deposit. Number 3, continuous using of Maribank will eventually lead to an opportunity for you na makagamit ng Maribank credit. So itong Maribank credit na to, hindi siya basta-basta na binibigay or pwede kang mag-apply. Basically, you will receive an invite from Maribank itself dun sa app nila na meron kang offer for a Maribank credit that you can activate and use. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, na-offeran ka ng Maribank credit kasi nakita nila yung activities mo when you are using the Maribank savings. Number 2 is the 15 free bank transfer every week. Yes, napaka-cliche na sabihin pero isa ito sa pinaka-beneficial na feature ni Maribank. Most of my transaction na nga ay online na, more on transfer na dito, transfer doon, may mga bills. Take note na yung 15 free bank transfer ay nagre-refresh yan every 12 midnight ng Monday. Ibig sabihin lang nito, kung 15 free bank transfer per week, lumalabas na around 60 free bank transfer yan per month. Isipin nyo na magkano ang bank transfer ng GCash and Maya, di ba? Nasa 15 pesos. Okay, last but not the least is yung access mo sa pera mo or access to your money. Anong ibig ko sabihin dito? Well, based on my experience, from last year, I had no issues with Maribank na hindi ko ma-access ang pera ko. Ang ibig sabihin ko lang dito is I can get my money whenever I want, even alas 12 ng madaling araw yan, alauna, and wherever I want. Even if nasa Japan pa ako noon. So basically, nag-transfer ako ng pera sa Japan using my money dun sa Maribank papunta sa GCash. So tingnan nyo, kahit saan, pwede ako mag-transact with Maribank. Yeah, so basically, yan yung 10 reasons ko kung bakit Maribank is one of my highly recommended bank or online bank this 2026. Guys, kung wala pa kayong Maribank account, I highly recommend creating one and using my referral code PATQUINTO when creating a Maribank account. Bakit? Magkakaroon po kayo ng 150 pesos na referral reward by just using my referral code PATQUINTO. Hindi nyo kailangang gumastos, patulugin nyo lang yung 1,000 pesos nyo dyan sa loob ng 3 araw. Saan ka pa, di ba? For our question of the day, nakita nyo ba kung gaano nakalaki ang natipid nyo sa bank transfer sa Maribank? Well, makikita nyo siya when you click pay and transfer. Makikita nyo dyan na, yan, nakalagay, you save 8,820 pesos in transfer fees. Kayo ba, for our question of the day, gaano nakalaki ang natipid nyo sa free bank transfer ni Maribank? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Lizel Cabanlit. At Lizel Cabanlit R9W, sabi po niya, Maribank po the best. Shoutout from Dubai. Kay Miss Lizel Cabanlit, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. And shoutout din po dyan sa mga OFW natin sa Dubai. Shoutout po sa inyo. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!